Hi everyone, welcome to this first lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn how to write first bash script. Okay, so for that you need to open your Kali Linux. So as we are inside the Kali Linux, you need to open this particular menu, and inside favorite you will find here text editor. So this is simple text editor. What you need to do is simply click on this. So after clicking this, as you can see that we are having this particular text editor. Okay, so guys, in your case, if the size of the font is small, so what you can do here is simply go to view and simply go to select font, and here you can select your favorite font and the size you can increase or decrease from here. So this is what we have here, size, and these are the fonts. Okay, so simply select. So for me it is ideal. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write first a script and then I will teach you what it is and what does it mean. Okay, so first of all I'm going to give cbang. So don't worry, I will teach you what it is and what does it mean. Bin bash for bash. Okay, now I want to also add one comment. So this is my first script. Okay, now then echo, I want to print this particular thing on a screen. Hello hackers. So this is what we have here. Now let's learn here what it is and what does it mean. Okay, so guys, to start you need to tell your operating system which interpreter you want to use for the script. Okay, so in order to do that, what you need to do here is simply enter cbang. So what is cbang? Cbang is the combination of exclamation mark and hash mark. So as you can see that this is the hash mark and this is the exclamation mark. So this is what we have cbang to tell your operating system that which interpreter you want to use. Okay, then we are having bin bash. So here what we are telling operating system that we want to use bash interpreter. So what we are using bash interpreter. So this is the mean of first line. Okay, so then we are having here second line. So what does second line mean here? Okay, so second line, as you can see that we are having not exclamation mark, it's a hash mark. Okay, so this is a comment, so which is a note you leave to yourself or anyone else reading the code to explain simply what you are doing in this particular script. Okay, so programmers use comments in every coding language. So these comments are not read or executable by the interpreter, so you don't need to worry about messing up your comment. So they are visible only to human, not to the bash shell, or we can say interpreter. Okay, now thing is clear. Okay, so then we are having here echo. So as we all know that echo command, which tells the system to simply repeat back to your monitor whatever follows the command, simply means that it will display whatever written here. Okay, so this is what we have inside our first script. Okay, so guys, what you need to do here is simply save this without any extension. Simply save this. So for saving it, simply go to file and click on save. So here saving, so hacker script. So this is what we have, hacker script. Simply hit enter. After hitting enter, as you can see that we have successfully saved this particular file. Now just terminate it and open terminal in order to run this. So guys, when you try to run this, it will not run because of permission. Okay, so let's see our file first. So ls for list and long list. Now scroll up and find where our hacker. Okay, so we have here hacker script here. Okay, so what we have here is hacker script. Okay, so guys, as you can see that our new file has rwrr permission. Okay, in 58. So what does it mean? So this means that owner of this particular file only has read and write permission, but no executable permission. Okay, so the group and all other users have only read permission. Understand? So this is what we have, but we want to execute this particular file. So how you can execute this particular file? Okay, so don't worry, I will tell you how you can execute this particular file. Okay, so first of all, let's clear it. give command chmod and here permission and your file name, which is hacker script. Now hit enter. Okay, hacker script, I think name is not correct. I think this is the name. Okay, because Linux is case sensitive. Now we are having this particular now we have changed the permissions. Okay, now let's see again. LSL, hit enter. So after hitting enter, let me find here. Okay, so now we are having executable permission. As you can see that we are having executable permission. So now let's see how we can execute this particular file. Okay, let's see how we can execute this particular file. Okay, let's clear it first. And again, simply for executing it, first of all, we need to add dot slash. So this is what we need to add before the file name tells the system that we want to execute this particular script in the file hacker script from the current directory. So current directory, we are in root. Okay, so it also tells the system that if there is another file in another directory named hacker script, so please ignore it and only run hacker script in this current directory. So that is why it is important to add this particular thing before file name, and then simply add file name. Now hit enter. So after hitting enter, as you can see that guys, we are having hello hackers. Okay, so this is what we want, and this is I hope guys this is you are getting it, and thank you for watching this lecture.